You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phobia names. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting phobia names that are hard to say and what they mean. Aichmophobia. Aich, okay, not ache or Aich. Essentially, it's easy. Aichmophobia is how you say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more names of interesting phobias. The fear of needles, this was. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.